Hey guys, Fire Mike here. I'm here with a friend of mine, stocking his stand.
You better share his credit.
Yeah, put you a walkthrough. If you live in the Alvin area, come see my buddy. This one's off of 517. We open Friday. Then he has one located in Froberg. You got two in Orcola. This is the Godfather. Hey Josh, you want to say something for my YouTube channel?
Yeah, come on out to Big Daddy's Fireworks, man. We got the best deals you'll find. Fire Mike here, it's his favorite place to shop.
Yeah.
We got 13 locations in Brazoria County, Fort Bend County, and Galveston County all together. So come check us out.
Yeah, come see my buddy.